Hello my dear friends, this is Little Dear Sir channel and I am master teacher of this channel Mr. Prahlad Third, and here is this channel is going to give the free education to all over the world childrens. Okay, now let's today's topic. See here, the human digestive system. The human digestive system that we are going to study, and more information we are going to take by using this point of about the human being. Now see the digestion. What is the digestion and what includes the digestion process? Ingestion, movement, mechanical and chemical digestion, absorption and elimination. These main 5 phases are there or included in the digestion process. That is the ingestion, movement, mechanical and chemical digestion, absorption and elimination. We'll see. Now see here the digestion types. The mechanical, which is the physical and related to the chewing of the food, tearing, grinding, that is the grind, mash and mix. After the eating, this total all process happens in our physical digestion, or we can say that in mechanical process of the digestion. And then this is next one is the chemical. Enzymatic reactions to improve the digestion of the carbohydrates, proteins, then lipids, that all it comes, the fats, that all comes in the this chemical digestion. Okay, this all process happens while digestion of our food. Now see the mouth. When we enters anything, when we enters the food inside our mouth, this process happens. See, the teeth can mechanically break down the food into the small pieces, and tongue mixes food with the saliva while chewing, contains the amylase which helps to break down the starch. Okay, and here is our mouth, the teeth cavities, upper and lower cavity. Inside the tongue is here. See here, epiglottis is a flag like structure at the back of the throat, and that closes and over the trachea, preventing food from the entering it, and that process happens in our mouth. Now see the esophagus. This is the green color we have shown, and this is the red color I given now. This shows the digestive system still here. The small intestine, large intestine, J-shaped structure, and that is the down anus, and this process happens. Waste goes down here. See here, esophagus. This is called the esophagus, and now approximate 10 inches. 10 here inches long functions. See here, functions includes secrete mucus, then moves food from the throat to the stomach using the muscles movement called the peristalsis. What to say? Peristalsis. This process still the food from the mouth, from the throat to the stomach. If acid from the stomach gets in here, that is the heartburn. See, many times it happens in our digestion system. If it is not properly chewed, properly not digested, and that acid not flows from that, then not mixed inside, then heartburns we suffers. Now see the stomach, J-shaped structure. J-shaped structure. See here in figure, we are going to see here the J-shaped structure, muscular bag that stores the food you eat, breaks it down into tiny pieces. When it enters the food inside the stomach, and J-shaped structure is here, that food enters inside there, and after in the that is we can say the muscular bag, that is, and it store the food you eat, break down it into the tiny pieces, and that starts the digestion process from there. The mixes food with the digestive juices that contains the enzymes to break down proteins and lipids also inside. Acid in the stomach kills the bacteria. The many types of bacteria are there in our food, and that acid in the stomach kills that bacteria which are not useful to our body. Food found in the stomach is called cham, means inside there it breaks down, and the saliva as well as the all other salivas, it mixes inside and it starts the digestion process inside the small intestine and large intestine. The small intestine, let's will see what is. The small intestines are roughly 7 meters long. How many meters long? Roughly near about that the 7 meters long. The lining of the intestine walls has finger like projections called the villi, and to increase the surface area, the villi are covered into the microvilli, which further increases surface area for absorption. Villi and microvilli, that we have to keep in our mind. Bile acids in the chemical digestion. Bile acids also is present in the chemical digestion of the lipids. Enzymes continues to digest the carbohydrates, lipids and proteins also, and it happens in the small intestine. See here the small intestine inner part, which is 7 meter long. Now see, the nutrients from the food pass into the bloodstream. Bloodstream, you know, the circulation is available all over the body, the cells are there, and it gets the food by using the process of circulation. That see, bloodstream through the small intestine walls, and absorption what? 80% digested water it absorbs. Then vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, which gets from that food which we have eaten. That's why we have to take that diet or the balanced diet every day. Then only we can get the fit and fine body to us. Secretes digestive enzymes. See here, this figure shows that large intestine about 5 feet long, continues to absorb the water. Rectum, short-term storage which holds the feces before it is expelled. At the end point, that is, and rectum we can say about the 5 feet. Large intestines, how many feet are there? 5 feet long. The size of that longest, or we can say the 5 feet long, the large intestines are present in our body. Continues to absorb the water. It continuously absorbs water and it provides to our body by process of circulation of blood. It mixes with. That's why we says the maximum percentage of water is available in the blood, and blood gets the red color because of the that hemoglobin. Blood has a red color, as we have studied. Rectum, that is the short term storage which holds the feces before it is expelled or goes outside before that. Large intestines absorb the more water and concentrate waste. This, see here, the large intestine part, inner side part small intestine, and this is the large intestine part. See, the rectum is here, anal cavity, extreme anal sphincter, sigmoid colon, tinea col, then cut edges of the mesentery. These all are the epilogic appendages, and these all left colic we can say, and right colic it is. Transverse colon, we can say that this is the part transverse colon. Here is middle side arteries and rostrum, and ascending colon, ileum and cocum is here. Like this shows which is 5 feet long. This is large intestine. Accessory organs. Now see, not part of the path of food but play a critical role. It plays, and this is also the pancreas and axillary pancreas duct, and which gives the bile duct and a sphincter inside. When it gives and when it mixes to the our eaten food, and it gets the properly digestion. See, includes the liver, gallbladder and the pancreas also take part in the digestion process. Directly affects the digestion by producing bile. Bile helps the digest fat, filters out toxins and waste including the drugs and alcohol. These all because of the bile, and bile is also important for the properly digestion of our food. Now gallbladder, see, this is the gallbladder and stores the bile from the liver, releases it into the small intestine, fatty diets and can cause the gallstones also. This is also take parts. Now pancreas is also most important thing here. See, pancreas what? It is also takes part in the digestion of food. Productive digestion, enzymes to digest fats, carbohydrates and proteins also digest by using this. Regulates the blood sugar by producing insulin. That is also most important while digestion. These all are the process, and pancreas also it helps to give the to release the this all types of enzymes for digestion. So in this way we have studied about the human digestive system. So thank you so much for the watching and subscribe over this channel. Thank you so much.